Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: key fragments, map, and stealth loadout. Do this now so you don't waste time at the gate. Move to the forest perimeter just after 22:00 when patrols thin. Approach along tree line to avoid open sight lines. Once close, use cloak or silent step to slip past scouts. Make sure to combine fragments into a single key before interacting with the vault console, because the mechanism rejects partial keys and will trigger an alarm. Once inside, slow down and read the environment. Glyphs indicate safe routes, so follow them clockwise to reduce guardian spawns. Use soft light flares sparingly to mark intersections, because bright light draws tougher patrols. When you encounter trap arrays, prioritize the remote hack tool. If unavailable, perform the timed block maneuver within 4 seconds to bypass sensors. Make sure to conserve stamina and cooldowns here, since ineffective attempts will reset doors and spawn additional defenders that complicate the final approach. You reach the vault core and insert the assembled key. Begin the 3-step unlock sequence immediately, since delays cause a fail-safe lock. Press sequence buttons in order, watch the console prompts, and stabilize power with your battery module when prompted. If an alarm triggers, retreat to fallback point A, use the override chip to silence sensors, then reattempt with a faster sequence. Make sure to reload from the last checkpoint if the vault seal becomes immutable. This is the fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.